We're gonna be installing, disconnect the O2 sensor.
Oh look, you can see the turbo in here. Officially made the Supra a BMW. Oh my freaking.
Alright you guys, today we're gonna be installing some parts finally onto my 2020 Toyota Supra. I think I've had the car for about 2-3 months now. I honestly can't really remember, but things been complete stock and I finally bought parts for it. So over here we have an assortment of parts. Right now we have a SSR downpipe, a MST intake. I don't even know what brand this is, I'll be completely honest. We have a charge pipe, and then we also have a Blitz strut bar for the Supra. So today I'm gonna kind of be dividing this up into 2 separate videos just to make things a little bit easier. In this video we're going to be going ahead and doing the downpipe as well as the charge pipe, and then in the next video we're gonna go ahead and do the intake and then also the strut bar. So I feel like this should make for a pretty interesting video. I finally got parts for the car. Shout out Japhet. I met him just through my work and he hooked me up with a good price for these parts, so shout out to Japhet. Something funny he also gave me. I got a BMW engine cover for the Supra. Let me know in the comments if I should put that in the car. I feel like it'd be pretty funny, but he just gave it to me because he said he was gonna throw it out, so he also threw that in just cause. I feel like it'd be pretty funny, but let me know if you want me to put that on the Supra, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install some parts. Hope you guys are excited as I am. Also, I just noticed that there's some rash marks on the Supra. I don't know what that was from, but that's here. Also up here, this one kind of comes off, but the other one wasn't really. Okay, so the first order of business is we are going to go ahead and take out the intake right here, and then that's going to give us access towards the back, towards the downpipe, and then we're going to go ahead and jack up the car, and then we're going to go ahead and go underneath and pull it out. So first things first, we got to do the intake. Okay, so you're going to want to pop off the sensor for the intake, stick a screwdriver in there, pop off this gray clip, just pop it out, and then pinch on it, and then the sensor should come right out. Then we're gonna go ahead and undo the clamp holding the intake in. I believe this thing should just come straight out. Just like that. Also, usually when you take out your intake, there's gonna be these little rubber grommets that come out with the intake. You can just go ahead and pop those right back in, just to make it a little bit easier when you go ahead and put it back in. There's gonna be 2 of them. I believe that there's a 3rd one at the bottom, but I'll kind of see if I need that later. But for now, just have the 2 right here. So now that we have all this room in the intake area, it's gonna make it a lot easier to get down to the downpipe down in here. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is disconnect the O2 sensors. We're gonna take out the O2 sensors from up here. I think it'll make it a little bit easier to take out the downpipe when we actually jack up the car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it right now. And then also undo the V-band that goes to the turbo. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect that. So the way that you're gonna do this is you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing as the clip for the intake. You're gonna go ahead and pop off the gray and like push it back and lock it. Same thing with the secondary O2 sensor. And then you're gonna go ahead and push on them like a clip, and then it should disconnect. Now that both of those are out, we're just gonna leave them right here. Blue goes to the back, gray goes to the front. And I also do not have a tool for the O2 sensor to like slide on there and then help to get it out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a crescent. Okay, look, you need a smaller one. Okay, so funny story, I actually don't know where the smaller crescent went, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try and take off the V-band for the turbo. I believe this should be a 13 mil down underneath. V-band's off now. Let's go ahead and jack up the car so we can get underneath and take off these bolts. Okay, so as you guys can hopefully see, we have to undo this bolt right here. This is the one that's gonna hold the downpipe to the mid pipe. Oh, I also realized I forgot to undo. There's 2 more bolts up here. I know you guys can't see it, but there's 2 bolts up here. You're also gonna have to undo those in order to get it off. And I have to check to see what size it is because I'm not really sure. Let me see if they're 13s because I'm not sure. I just feel like they are 13s. So let me go ahead and see if I can try and undo them. By the way, this is a lot easier to get to the two top bolts if you just do it from the top. I'm just lazy to go back up there, so that's why I'm trying to do it from down here. There we go. These are now off. We're gonna do this one. This one I can see is low-key kind of already stripped. There we go. Now we can finally got it out, guys. After a whole bunch of prying and
It
Andrew,
took me 5 minutes of help.
I did all the work.
Sure.
But it's finally coming out. So oh my, and it's out. All right, you guys. As you guys can see, got the stock downpipe and the aftermarket downpipe. So you can see there's a filter. It's the cat. But this one's just a tube.
Whoa, goes all the way freaking through.
So think about this. I'm gonna have a check engine light, but I mean I feel like that kind of means I gotta get tuned, right? But yeah.
What's the weight difference like?
This one's probably lighter by like a few pounds.
Okay. Weight savings, race car
Just a
thing.
little bit, yeah.
Also significantly like skinnier.
It is a lot skinnier.
Doesn't have this whole. I mean, it doesn't have the cat.
Yeah, there's just no cat in there. Gotta transfer the V-band and stuff, and then transfer the O2 sensors, but...
All right, get them O2 sensors off. Dang, you did that with your hand? You're so strong. Wait, let me see if I can do it with my hand. Whoa! Alright, quick little update. We got the downpipe finally fitted on completely. The V-band thing to connect the turbo to the downpipe, that is annoying to get on, but we got it on, and then we're finally able to bolt down that last clamp that goes to the exhaust from the downpipe. Had a lot of trouble. But now what do you want to do, Derek?
Should we just start it up?
Obviously we don't got the intake in there. The turbo inlet's right here. MAF sensor's not connected. Derek wants to see if we get started up just to make sure there's no exhaust leaks before we button everything up, but also it'd be some cool sounds that we get. Oh look, you can see the turbo in here. Y'all are gonna get that view. Downpipe to the exhaust.
It just sounded like from underneath. It just sounded like it was rattling. Oh, you know why I didn't put on the fucking...
Oh, that last bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's rattling.
Okay, guys, so I actually have change of plans today. I mean, you just saw me do the downpipe, but we're actually gonna do the strut bar as well. Instead of doing the intake and the charge pipe, I feel like those two are a better combo together. So we're gonna do those in the next video. So let's go ahead and put on this strut bar. I haven't seen how this looks yet.
That's a goddamn race car.
Alright, well, that's what it looks like. In order to install this, if you do have a 2020 year model Supra, unfortunately your car did not come with factory strut bars. So what you're gonna have to do is go to your local Harbor Freight, pick up a tap and die set. This is like a little over 20 bucks. You're gonna go ahead and have to make threading. Make threads. Make threads for the bolts to go into. So what you're gonna need is a M10 by 1.5, and you're just gonna have to
Make threading.
make threading. Alright, you guys, we went ahead and threaded the holes. It's in now, so we're gonna go ahead and put the bolts in there.
We didn't even test that one with the bolt yet.
We did not test the bolt.
This is live reaction.
Look at how fire I am. Doesn't fit.
1 inch.
Okay, we're good.
Don't mind that. That's in the next video.
This is gonna be in the way.
Boom. Sheesh.
Should I actually put that in there?
Yeah. Alright guys, we officially made the Supra a BMW. Officially a BMW Supra. What do you think about it?
Looks fire. I will say, it looks kind of weird with the red strut bars, and you just got a
Blue.
logo.
You gotta get the red one.
You guys haven't heard the downpipe yet. Oh, you guys got the startup. Forgot.
In the front only though, not the back.
We'll get some clips for you guys though. Right now. Ready?
Yep.
It's so loud. That is. Bro. I'm so sorry, neighbors. I'm so sorry.
It's not open. Oh wait, it automatically opens and closes right now. Wow, this is louder than my car.
Alright, we're gonna get you guys the audio of the downpipe. You guys might get a little teaser for the next one, but I mean, it's okay.
Yeah. We gotta wait till we get on the main street.
We can put it in quiet. Just to get out of my neighborhood.
Yeah. We don't talk about that part yet. We don't talk about that part yet. No check engine light up.
Not yet.
Sure
Not
you
yet.
haven't driven that much.
Revving.
What the fuck? Okay, I guess we should just maybe start with that first.
I'm gonna drive around for a little bit to let the car warm up still, but we'll get a little bit of more spirited driving in a second. I just want to make sure I don't blow up my.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have also checked my oil. My oil light's gone.
Oh,
So I should have checked that. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put it in sport now. See how loud this shit gets.
Windows up. We'll see how
Yeah, windows up because it's cold outside.
We'll do windows then after. Pops sound pretty tame still from the inside. I don't know what they sound like outside though.
I don't know.
Those revs earlier.
Definitely loud, a little bit louder
Yeah.
than how it was with the stock downpipe.
Yeah.
For sure. Just a little bit, tad bit. Sure.
I don't know what you guys can hear the intake. Well, what video are we doing right now?
I don't know.
Oh, it's significantly louder. Oh yeah, stock intake. For sure. Here we go.
What the fuck? Why does it sound like that? Sounds like a wastegate just open.
Yeah.
They have a booster. Interesting.
Oh, man, you could definitely hear the air being sucked in.
Yeah.
But it does sound a little. I don't know. Is it supposed to sound like that? It sounded kind of. I don't know. I don't know if it's because like we're passing other stuff, so like the wind from that is messing with. Can't tell.
It's definitely not cooling like it's supposed to though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's very true. Is that full throttle?
Yeah. But I also didn't really downshift like that.
Oh yeah, something's definitely right. You made your car slower.
They did make my car slower.
Sounds good.
It sounds good, but something's not right.
Something's not right. I don't know if you guys can hear the intake, but it sounds a little off. I don't know how to explain it, but the car is also just not pulling at all. It feels like a stock 86. Alright, what do we see here?
Like, you can't really see into the charge point. You have to like kind of see.
Is the thing under? Here we go. Hopefully shit works out.
Yeah, that definitely works. That definitely
Beamer sounds like.
It's your typical BMW.
Oh my god.
Terrorizing the night, bro. It's still so loud.
It's so loud. The
God.
The intake is so loud too.
Holy crap. The exhaust?
The exhaust is
so
hella loud.
That's with the valves closed.
Oh my freaking god. Holy crap. The turbo freaking spool in the exhaust is crazy. That was actually like freaking astounded. Oh my god, that was so good. What the hell? I'm going in the middle. Guys, that freaking car is actually next freaking level now. What the freak? Holy crap. I wish Derek could hear this from the outside. It's actually insane. That freaking turbo spool that you hear in the exhaust now, like you never heard that before. All right, well, that's
Dude, this car is crazy. I really wish I could have heard it from the outside.
I gotta do a pull for you one day, dude. It's actually
Dude, when I was pulling away from you initially, like the car kept wanting to kick out. Like,
it just kept going.
Did you see me? I was
I was looking at the camera.
no, like
You can see it on maybe
you could probably
on footage, yeah.
You gotta see it on the footage because like it just kept wanting to kick out.
Damn. Hey, maybe it got some more power. Look, you should pull up the horsepower thing. But yeah, you gotta hear from outside. It's actually freaking insane.
Hope you guys enjoyed. This became like a jumbled mess of like doing two different things at the same time, but hope you guys enjoyed. Downpipe install. Crazy. This thing's so much louder. Low-key, you think it's louder than your GR? Or when it was just straight piped?
It's pretty loud.
It was pretty loud. I feel like your car was like the same thing though.
It's deeper, I think. Yours is more just smooth.
I think my tips are smaller than yours too though.
Oh.
I think mine are only like 3. Yours are 4.
5.
Yours are 5.
But that's just the tip. That's literally just the end. Well, I guess it kind of echoes it.
That thing sounds crazy. Pops and bangs were so loud. Finally got that downpipe to get that turbo spool, but I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. And then just look at the engine bay. It's starting to come together. I'm honestly really glad that I did those mods, and I got a good deal on those parts as well.
First couple mods on the Supra too.
Yeah, first couple mods, for me at least, not the stuff that the previous owner had, but noticed that the previous owner did some questionable things with the car, or at least the shop that they took it to, I don't know. Kind of questionable, but made it work. Shout out Andrew for helping me out, and we will see you next time installing the intake and the charge pipe for the Supra. You guys already got the kind of like a teaser of like what it sounds like. Also, very sick mods. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, guys, we should just, since we have 4 boosted cars, that was 8, 4. Can't keep up, huh? Ooh.
It's keeping up pretty well. Oh, it lost you. Oh no, it got you again. Damn, that shit makes it so easy to film. I don't even have to move.
Look, you behind the camera, just going like, you guys can't tell them.
I'm jacking off behind the camera, as you just said.
All right.